Here I am at Nissan Fest. I entered, I paid, but I'm here with the STI because my 300 is broken. Some damn wiring gremlins. There's some good cars out here. I don't know why they aren't entered. Look at that. Etc. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and just walk through it. I'm pretty down about it, that it ain't running, but nothing I can do. I wish I could just get towed to the house so I could figure out what's wrong, but you'll get there. Hopefully there's some cool stuff for me to buy in here. That's why I'm really coming. See some people. Oh well. Very upsetting. I was supposed to be in this. I wouldn't have won anything, but still. With my Nissan peeps. But it looks really small. Also upsetting. Casey's car. I wonder where he's at. It's looking a lot better. Some cool shirts, but not really a Nissan specific. If you can hear me. This is their best one for sure. Love it. This one, yeah. We got Chris. Alright, I'll show you. For Chris's car. It's not that bad, honestly, but it still sucks. See, I don't see it right now. There's a dent down here somewhere. You can probably see it. There's a scratch somewhere up there, I don't remember. But back here are some more scratches. Another dent back here. So, if you don't know, I am in the body shop world. So it's got to get hammered out and put some body filler in there. You can probably PDR that, but either way, it's still got to get painted. This whole panel, because you got to look up for a cutoff point. This is a pearl to it. I don't know if it's 3-stage or not, but it looks like it. So this got to get painted, and there's no cutoff here, so you got to keep going. So the only cutoff is right there. So you got to paint this whole panel. This little indent, we could probably make a cutoff on it, but really the whole roof should get painted. Then this door has got to get painted because there's a scratch in the door. I don't see it right now, but he showed me it. But then it's far enough this way where we can stop it at the front of the door, so it'll be fine. But yeah, it sucks. That's something you don't think about. Enter a car show and oh wait, there's a scratch. Enter a car show and get a tent blown onto you, you know. Never know. It sucks. Maybe that's why I'm not supposed to be in this show today. Wish I could get away with something crazy like this. Blue all over, blue wheels. Probably do red wheels.
GTT. I like the GTS too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right later. GTR wide. GTR wide. See the fenders? Just like Chris's. Non-GTR. No wide. See? Then their bodies are different. So there you go. Wide. Oh, look at the gritty stripe. Oh, I love that. I'm a little bitter with these big companies. Like, I love their products, like Ready, HKS. You know, I mean, it's even tattooed on me, but they are the stingiest companies there are. Like, so stingy. You go to SEMA, these no-name people you never heard of are giving you necklaces and badges and stickers and catalogs, like anything to take care of you.
That's why I love it. Like,
And then you go to HKS or Gretty or any of those, Advan even, and they don't give you anything. They're just like the the stingiest. They make the most money and have all these great products. And they won't give you a deal. Where's the sun? That way. Yeah, they don't give you anything. I go there every year. I'm like, hey, can you give me a keychain? A badge holder at SEMA? And they're like, nope, I don't have anything. We're all sold out. Or they just say they don't have any. It's crap. But yeah, this show is little. Look at this. This is usually all full. Empty. So I'll just cut in through here. Here's some 300s. I wanted to skip over there, but I'll see everything. Where's the one of the tents going around last weekend? It's windy as shit. What else is new, man? I've been watching all your videos.
Like, I don't want to do that for that because I'm already doing that for everything else that I'm doing.
Yeah, I was talking about your comedy ones, the ones I always see.
Is that it?
The comedy ones. Very nice carved in front. I look there. Nothing special.
We really appreciate you guys being out here with us today. It's a beautiful Saturday. Let's go, Las Vegas. Let's have some good time. Also, the drones. Make sure that they only fly above the parking structure. Do not go over the Silverton Casino sign here.
This is a nice S15. Oh, wow. RB25? Oh my gosh, it's not an S15. It's like an S13 with a S15 front. That's crazy. RFC. That's pimp. Who would have thought? Good work. Now make my way over to the 300s. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, first one. MGT4s, big intercoolers, still in lip. It's not a pearly paint, it's a fuck paint. Wheels look good. 275s. It's got the spats. Got some side skirts. I need those lights. Alright, XXR is not good. 2+2. This is nice though. Mario Tucky's crazy. He has all the carbon stuff I want. Yeah, this one's done pretty good. Look at that. Nobody knows how coils run. I want the center panel so bad. That is next on my list after I get it running. Whew. Purple one here, same nose. Man, maybe I shouldn't get it. Everyone has it. He's got Avid wheels. Look at these. So we got real MGT4s, some XXRs, some Avid 1 AV20s with infinity badges. What are these? These look like Cosmos. What are these? Oh, Kasai's. There. Well, everybody looks alright. Used to be red. Oh, their cars run. Why can't mine? He's got no PTU. So what coils are these? Maybe I just need to do the coil upgrade. He has coils, so he must just move his PTU. Man, that's probably what we're gonna have to do. Coil and plug upgrade. I'm not ready. Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do now the more I think about it. Zero Las Oh, so he's alive. Does he work on him? Maybe he can help me. Maybe get that Instagram right there. Hit him up. Alright, so purple one is my favorite. By far. Now I got JDM tails too. The red one looks good from the back. So is the blue one. Oh, I'm gonna say red. Purple has a lot of potential.
Like today,
Oh! Where we go? Sideways. Let's try it again. Notice that this is non-turbo. They don't draw turbo. We got some regular ass traffic here. And these, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay. Didn't swap the front. Sure we'll get there. Another one. Love the Nismo stripes. We're gonna do that to mine for sure. Need to talk to this guy. That's where we got him. Awesome. So awesome. This is nice. There we go. Let's find him later. Alright. I had to deal with a bunch of drama. Chris's car, talking to the owners and this and that, trying to get it all set up right. But yeah, car show was little. Nothing really too spectacular. Kind of lame, but still wish I was there. Thought there'd be a lot more like Nissan specific merchandise and stuff, you know. But there's only a few shirts that are all just Garrett Society. I mean, there were some they were Nissan themed, but they weren't like anything crazy. But oh well, on to the next one.